Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today for this video I wanted to do an unboxing, a first impression slash review of the JetBoil Flash. I really thought about it before pulling the trigger on this one just because it's so expensive. This is like $110 and there are so many like stove options out there. I don't really know if it's necessary to spend so much money on just one thing. So we're gonna review this and we're also gonna compare it to our current backpacking camping stove setup, which is the MSR PocketRocket, I believe this is. I think this sells for about like $50–60 compared to like the $110 for the JetBoil. It's really oh shoot. Oh my god, just fell. It's really small, it's really compact, and we use this like $4 stainless steel mug from Walmart to boil all our water and stuff for backpacking. So definitely an upgrade. Let's just see if it's worth it. So there are a few really cool things about the JetBoil Flash. The first, as you can see on this lid, it has a drink pour-over spout. It's insulating, which is nice. It color changes when it gets hot. And they have this patented flux ring, which means that you don't need to bring a match or a light source with you, which is really nice. And it comes with these stabilizers. And it's supposed to be really fast. So it can boil 500 cc's of water, which is like 2 cups, in 100 seconds. Whoa! I have never opened this up before. Oh, wow! There it is.
Wait, so this changes colors?
Yeah, apparently.
When it gets hot? Oh, that's sick.
So there's the manual. What's this? I think this is some kind of like, yeah, so this is 1 cup. So you can measure how much water you put in. Honestly, don't know how this works. So there's a spout thing. Take all this out. Ooh, get a sticker.
Ooh.
Oh wait, what's this?
That's probably the stuff that attaches to the bottom. Technical difficulties.
It's like, this is supposed to come out? Oh. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, so I guess I'm taking over from here.
Okay, so it comes with really clear instructions, so we're just gonna follow these step by step.
There's your stabilizers. So this is the base, which is what I'm really excited for. So it has its sparker already. So with our other PocketRocket, we had to use something like this to start the fire. This is really nice. It's already built into it. So you have these nipples in here. You have these slots. So you just need to match them. Wham and wham. Easy peasy.
Cool.
So far, just super lightweight.
It looks bigger than, you know, obviously that, but do you feel like it'll make like a huge difference in our backpack?
No, I think it's about like this system
compared to
right
what?
here.
Yeah.
Right? That's heavier than this. Oh. And you can put stuff in this too.
That's true.
If you want. So I think
it's just bigger.
Yeah. I think this is a winner already. But
cool.
Let's keep going. Here you have these snaps that go under the canister, which fits really well. And then take this bottom half and you just screw it on. Just make sure you're fully closed out. So all the way clockwise, this one's fully closed out too. So there's our 2 setups.
We have it both.
Okay. So now we're gonna put 2 cups of water in here, 2 cups in here, and we're gonna do a time test on which boils faster.
Cool. It's on?
Yep, they're both on.
Timer. Start now?
Yep.
Start. Oh, it's steaming already.
Yeah.
We're at 33 seconds. JetBoil is steamy. cool.
Okay, so we'll turn this off.
Yeah. Holy.
We'll let this one keep going. Look at the color.
Good change.
Yeah. It's like red. That's sick. And that's still going, but we'll keep recording.
Yeah. At 1 minute 15 seconds, I don't know if the camera caught it, but that was like
Yeah, that was
like
full on boil.
Full on boil. Brad, almost 2 minutes.
Stop. This one's about there.
But the JetBoil was boiling
like
way more than this.
Yeah, it was about like this.
So at 2:30, yeah. Wow. So I'll stop this.
Very impressive.
Wow.
That's cool.
So JetBoil Flash took 1 minute and 15, and PocketRocket plus Walmart cup took 2 minutes 30 seconds.
Big difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah, huge difference. And this is a lot easier, it's lighter, and I think it's obviously a winner for us.
Yeah. So obviously if you had like a better cup that insulated better, I feel like it might have made the boil time faster. I mean, we're not experts, but this is the only system we've ever used in like our like 1.5 years of backpacking experience. I mean, it was never an issue. Like it always worked when we needed it to. But obviously this is way faster. It's safer.
Right.
It's more efficient. I think we can get more bang for our buck on our fuel with this.
Yeah.
But obviously this works too. It
Yeah.
just takes like 1 minute longer, which isn't too bad. So
Yeah.
there are different JetBoil options out there. There's like the Flash, there's like a mini something, there are bigger ones, but depending on your needs, you can choose what you want. Doing my research, I found that the JetBoil Flash was the one that backpackers use the most often. So we're giving that a try, and I think it's pretty worth it.
Yeah.
So we'll try to make some ramen tonight with it. We'll make some coffee tomorrow morning, and then actually test it.
Yep. Sounds good.
Thank
How many
you.
thumbs up?
Huh?
How many thumbs up? for
This
that?
one?
Yeah.
2.
3, okay? 3.
Thank you, Oman Appa, for getting it for me. Thanks again for watching this video. This is our very first product review. Hopefully we'll do a lot more in the future. So go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe for more. And we'll see you in the next one.